Hey there, friends! Welcome to Timmy the Explorer's Adventure on Toddlestein TV. Today we're going on an exciting journey to explore the amazing world of the water cycle. Do you know that water is always on the move? It goes on an incredible adventure called the water cycle. Let's dive in and learn all about it. First stop, evaporation. When the sun shines down on the water, it heats it up and the water turns into an invisible gas called water vapor. Can you see it? Poof! Next, the water vapor rises up into the sky where it cools down. It changes back into tiny water droplets. And guess what? They form fluffy clouds. Look at those beautiful clouds floating around. When those clouds become heavy with water droplets, it's time for some action. The droplets come together and form bigger drops. What happens next? Rain, snow, sleet, or hail falls from the sky. Isn't that amazing? The water doesn't just stop there. It loves to explore too. It flows downhill, filling up rivers, lakes, and even underground aquifers. This is nature's water park. And guess what? The adventure never ends. The water cycle keeps going round and round, over and over again. It's like a fantastic water dance. Let's do an experiment at home that depicts the water cycle. First, let's gather the materials we'll need. You'll need a clear glass or cup, plastic wrap, ice cubes, and a rubber band. Now let's set up our experiment. Fill the glass halfway with water, just like this. Next, place a few ice cubes on the top of the water. Now cover the glass with plastic wrap and secure it with a rubber band. Now we'll observe what happens over time. Leave the glass in a sunny spot and come back after a few hours or even the next day. Wow! Look what's happened. Do you see the droplets of water on the plastic wrap? These droplets are just like the clouds in the sky. They're formed through a process called condensation. When the warm air from the sun hits the cold plastic wrap, it causes the water vapor to cool down and turn back into liquid water. Now, let's carefully remove the plastic wrap and observe what's inside the glass. Do you see the water droplets on the inside of the glass? That's like rain falling from the clouds in the sky. And there you have it. By observing this simple experiment, we can see the water cycle in action: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. I hope you enjoyed this hands-on experiment, and remember, you can continue exploring and learning about the water cycle in many more exciting ways. Before we wrap up, let me share some cool facts with you. Did you know that there are about 326 million trillion gallons of water on Earth? Wow! Also, did you know that the same water you drink today might have been part of a dinosaur's bath long ago? How awesome is that? That's it, friends. We've discovered the secrets of the water cycle together. Remember, water is always moving, and it's essential for life on our beautiful planet. Thanks again for joining me on this watery adventure. Goodbye.